Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add a new account in Windows 11. So let's start. First, you need to go to the Start button on your taskbar. Click on it. Then you have to click on the Settings. After clicking on Setting, you have to go to the Accounts option on your left. Click on Accounts. Scroll down and you can see an option of other users. Click on other users and you can see this window. You have to tap on add account. In this, you can add account by entering the person's email address or phone number. This will help them to have sync in option, and also they can use the Microsoft applications. But in case you don't have the information about the person's sign in, then you can always have this option. I don't have this person's sign in information. Click on that. It will take you to this window. You have to select the option of add a user without a Microsoft account. Click on it. You have to enter the username of the PC user and then enter a password and re-enter a password. After re-entering the password, you will see the option of in case you forget your password. So you have to select a question from here and you have to write your answer for 3 questions. After adding those, you can press next. And as you can see, we have another user on our device which we have recently made. So I hope this video helped you a lot. If it has helped, then please like and share our video. Also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.